All right, guess who's back? Let me tell you guys how I got my first 4 customers for my cleaning business. All right, first, welcome back. Hi. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you for watching. The Beautiful Custodian. Follow me on Instagram. So look, I went to a party one day in March for my baby. My baby got invited to 2 parties. One for my neighbor's kid and one for my friend's kid. So first party was beautiful. Had a bus ride, like a train ride for the kids and horses and all that good stuff. I couldn't really stay because I had 2 parties. But anyway, left that party. The second party, which is my friend's baby, turned 4. I think Nova turned 4, yep. I don't think Nova's 5, Nova's 4. So Nova turned 4, and so we went. My friend's dad, he has a construction business. That's what he does. He's always working. Every time I always ask him how's business. We talking about business, and I'll tell him about my business. Tell him I have a clean business. And yeah. So he said he needs someone to like dust and stuff like that. I'm sorry, I'm looking. So usually when I'm walking now, when I'm looking at houses and properties, just regular looking. I see if they're a regular single family or it's a multi-family, zone out here. So what I'm seeing right now, I see a lot of not single families, not duplexes and triplexes and all those buildings. Anyway, back to it. Talked to her dad. He said he needs somebody clean. I'm like, cool. He said he needs somebody for the next day. Pulled up the next day. Before I pulled up, got all my supplies. That same day at Home Depot. Because it's in Carson, so it's nothing to go from Gardena to Carson. It's about 5 minutes away from Home Depot. Pulled up, cleaned up. He just wanted her area to be dusted. So I just kind of clean up everything. My jobs in the past have definitely helped me with wiping down stuff. That's what we did a lot. That's what I did a lot. They didn't want me to do the stripping and waxing, even though I'm certified in stripping and waxing. Certified. But anyway, so I came, I cleaned up her house. This is a little area, dusted, cleaned up the floors. She had like wood floors. I used the Bana. And yeah. But so the person's house I claimed to clean, she had a neighbor whose house lady just quit. So she said, can I pass her your number? They want to support black businesses. I'm a black business. Hey, no problem. And then my friend's dad called me like, hey, can I pass my number? Can he pass my number to the same lady, her neighbor? Sure. Neighbor calls me. She wants to, I'm like, let's meet up. Let's meet up in a couple of days when I'm free. We met up. We got her. She had a daughter that needed house cleaning as well, and a granddaughter, and her mother, and her friend. Right now, we just got the mother, which is her, the daughter, and the granddaughter. So after I left her, I went to the granddaughter's house. I'm getting my car clean. I went to the granddaughter's house. No, I went to the daughter's house, got the daughter. I went to the granddaughter's house, got the granddaughter. So we got 3 one day. We had everybody on a bi-weekly schedule. I talked to the daughter about weekly scheduling because she's about to graduate. And when you're in school trying to focus and get your master's, you don't want to be focused on a house or cleaning a house. You put your energy somewhere else. You put your time somewhere else. So it makes sense for her. Everybody else, they're cool. They're bi-weekly. So I got everybody on a schedule, bi-weekly. I charge extra for initial cleaning because the initial cleaning, it takes longer. It does. It takes longer for initial cleaning. So I charge extra for that. Got them on a schedule. Yeah, we're good. I got a couple on the weekend and one in the morning. So yeah, that's it. I almost gave up on my business. I was so ashamed to tell people I had a cleaning business. I don't know why. I started the whole process. I've gone far further than a lot of people on the business side. But now on in the business, where we got a couple clients. Now, I want to get to a point where the business is running itself. This is just the beginning stages, and we're here. We got 3 clients, almost like 3.5. Our dad said when he needs me, back in business. Well, we beginning in business, but that's it. I got 3 clients. It was all word of mouth, and yeah, that's really it. I hope everyone's doing well. I'm still doing my thing. I have a birthday. I got a birthday. What's my birthday? Tuesday, or 27. Yeah. Birthday 4/27. I'm getting my car fixed right now. Let me show you my car. My baby. So look. You see that? Let's see. Right there. So remember, one of my ex co-workers, right? I used to work at a job. She made this comment about my channel, and I blocked her. Hell yeah, I blocked her ass. Hell yeah, I blocked her. But she's talking about my car. That's another story. But we getting it fixed. We getting it clean, they won't get it fixed. I'll show you guys. But until next time, bye. Stay peaceful, stay beautiful. Until next time.